This poem I wrote when I was sat in the empty museum at the end of an afternoon and trying to write down the sounds of the museum and put them into some sort of poem. And I could hear lots of things going on. I could hear cars, lorries, the sounds of workmen in the museum and outside in the city, and also a lot of seagulls. So this poem is called Sounds of the Museum. At the docks is gull's chorale of stockfish, 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 stockfish. And the calling screech of cars is stockfish, 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 stockfish. And the creaking slippered footsteps, stockfish, 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 stockfish.